Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video we're gonna talk about methods, okay? So just to remind you about what a method is, we started this course talking about the print function, which is a method, okay, which we could call method or function depending on the language. I used to call method because it is more easy to understand than function, but function also can be very understandable if you are talking about some math. Okay, so we have the print function or method, and we could use this to write some text on the screen. And we also saw other functions like the input function, which is a function, okay, which reads something. For example, let's do that. And if I type something right here and press enter, I'm gonna see that I've entered some text. Okay. And we also saw the range function, which is, if you guys remember, generate numbers. Okay. So in this case, I don't see nothing because I need to convert to at least using the list function. Okay. So um, a quick reminder though, we're gonna talk about the built-in functions in Python in the subsequently videos. Sorry, I was have trouble to say that word, but let's just write our own function. Okay, let's create a function. To create a function, use def. Okay, which means define. You give it a name. For instance, let's write a function called print. Um, MSG. We're gonna pass MSG, and we use column, and we're gonna use the print function. We're gonna print the same message. So this will be a mirror to the print function. Okay, this will be a mirror to the Python built-in function called print. So if you call print MSG and I pass some um, string. For instance, I'm gonna pass hi, and if you execute, we're gonna see hi. So what this function does, it's a copy of the print function per se. Okay, so what we usually do is to write functions that already use some functions that Python has, and we modify them to accomplish other tasks. Okay, so let me think about what we could do here. So I could have a function that reads someone's age. um to do that, I would do something like this. Read age. Okay, and we're gonna create a variable called, oh, you could just use return. So return means that we're gonna assign, we're gonna return a value. Okay, but if you assign this read age to a variable, that variable will be equal the output of this function. Okay, so enter your age. I'm gonna finish this, and when I do that, you guys will see. So if I create a variable called age and assign as being equal read age, and I'm not going to pass any text because I already have on the side of the function, and I type 14 and I check the age value. I'm gonna see that age is now equal to 14 in a string. Okay, so that's how you could use function, guys. Pretty easy though. So if you guys like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, guys. It's very important to the channel. Okay, so see you guys next time.